Dad Riffs, and today we're going to learn the fourth position of the pentatonic scale. Last time you went all the way down, now you got to go up. It's not really called the fourth position, it's just the fourth one that we've learned so far. So it starts on the 8th fret, and it's a small gap. Go back down to the 7th, and it's going to be two bigs. And then you got, still on the 7th, small, small, small after that. But the bottom two are going to be on the 8th fret. And so that's the new position, yes. It's a pretty cool scale, yes, yes. You're almost there. 4 out of 5. So here's all the positions that you know so far. And I'll end on that chord. We're going to learn this chord. It's an A sustained. All you got to do is take these two fingers and put them on the 2nd fret right there in the middle, the middle two strings, the D and the G. And it sounds like these. Beautiful. Good day, sir.